Welcome, this is Dino. In this video I will show you the CRO versus MCO calculator, so you can calculate exactly which one is a better buy, CRO or MCO. So as you know, Crypto.com, they have two different coins, they have the MCO and the CRO. So a lot of people were asking which one is a better buy and what is a good price to get into one of these coins. So I wanted to make an easy calculator for you so you can know exactly which is a better buy. So let's just jump right into the tool. So this is the tool, and what you would first want to do is just copy this document so you can make changes. Because you simply go to the file here and make a copy, and then you can make a local copy of this document. Do not request access to this file, because then I will just get an email and you will have access to make changes to the original file. But to keep things organized, you can make a copy, but you cannot have access to the original file. So if you make a screw up, you can just come back here and make another copy. All right, so how does this work? You simply put the price of MCO here and the price of CRO here, and then you put the amount of money that you will spend per month on your MCO Visa card. And here you can put the amount of percent that you can get on the Flex Earn plan as well. And I will explain everything as we go further. And here you can see the amount of dollars that you have to spend on MCO on these different tiers. And here you can see the price of CRO that you have to spend on these different tiers. And here you can see the yearly profit. And if you change these numbers to, let's say, the price of MCO would be $10, then you can see the yearly profit will go down as well. And if the price of CRO would go up, let's say $0.5, here you can see the yearly profit will go instantly down as well. So you can play around with these numbers to find whatever works. And now I'm going to explain how it works, and I will explain you the benefits of MCO, and I will explain the benefits of CRO. And I did not take into consideration all the benefits. For example, if you go to Crypto.com and you go to the cards page, they have a benefit of private jet. I did not take this into consideration of the Crypto.com private, which gives you access to private events or invitation events or the Crypto.com invest. So I did not take these bonuses into account. Also, the Expedia bonus and the Airbnb bonus are out of this one, as well as the airport lounge as well. And again, I also did not take into consideration the price changes. So the price of CRO may go up, or the price of MCO may go up. So I did not take that into consideration. So the profit will not be this number that you see. This is just a simplified version of whatever might happen in the market. But here you can see that if let's take a look at the MCO first. So with MCO you get the Ruby Red card if you stake 50 MCO, and with the current market price that's $250. And if you change this to $10, you can see that the market price will be $500 that you have to put on the Ruby Red card. And with that, you get 2% cashback on your purchases. And with $400 spent, that's $8. And again, if you use like let's say only $200, then your cashback is $4 per month. So you can estimate whatever your monthly spend will be. And then Spotify, you will always get a constant $12.99 cashback. So that's really nice. So your total profit every month with $400 spent is $21, and yearly that's $252 gain. And if you invest $250 in the beginning, by the way, you do not lose this money. You simply have to stake it for 6 months, and then you can sell the assets or you can keep staking to receive the benefits. So after 1 year, your profit would be $252. So your total capital would be $502. So your profit is more than 100%. And if you use my referral code, you will actually get $50 instantly when you stake 50 MCO or more if you are a new customer to Crypto.com. So your first year profit will be more than 100% with the price of $5 per MCO. And I think Ruby Red Card is a no-brainer deal, because you get the money back after just first year and even more. So that's super nice. And with the Jade Green or the Purple Guard, then the thing already gets a little bit more not as interesting, I would say. So you have to put in 2,500 USD and you will get 3% cashback, and you will also get free Spotify as well, and you will also get free Netflix, and also you will get 6% interest on that 500 MCO stake. And if you go to the card section here, you do not actually see the 6% annual interest rate here on this page for some reason. But if you go over to the app here, you can see that you get the 6% annual interest on your stake. And if you scroll down, you can see it. And they pay it out every single week. So every 7 days, you get about 0.57 MCO put into your wallet if you have 500 MCO like I have. I have the Jade Green card. And in a month, that's about $13 per month. So total every month is about $50 profit that you make with the 500 MCO. And yearly, that's about $600 benefit, and yearly profit is about 24%. And if the price of MCO would go down to like, let's say $3, you can see the price, the benefit of the MCO card would go higher. This also brings like a floor to the price of MCO as well. Because if the price of MCO is lower, then it's like a super no-brainer to buy these cards. But as the price of MCO goes higher, the benefits of the MCO card go lower as well. So because of these fixed benefits. So I think the $5 is a good price point, and this is sort of like the floor, because I don't see MCO going much lower than this anymore, because people are starting to understand what is the benefit of having the Jade Green card or the Ruby Red card, and you can get these massive returns on your investments with quite a low risk. Okay, but if you get the 5,000 MCO stake with the white or rose card, you already have to put $25,000 here, but your yearly return is only 10.6% per year, and that's not much. So what you get more is this Amazon Prime, and again, I did not take other things into consideration. You also get, instead of 6% per year return, you get 8% per year, and you also get additional 2% per annual return. Let's say you want to lend out your Bitcoin. With 500 MCO stake, you get about 6.5% on the 3-month plan on Bitcoin. But with 5,000 MCO or more, you get 8.5%, so 2% more. So I didn't take that into consideration. And also, if you have 500 MCO stake, you see these numbers also change by 2%. So if you have more assets to put on the platform, then the higher MCO is a better choice as well. And I did not take that into consideration here. But on the Flex Earn here, this is the Crow Flex Earn. I will actually change this to Crow Flex Earn. So here you can see that if you have 500 MCO, you get 14% annual return on the Flex Earn on CRO. But with less than 500 MCO, you want to get 12%. So that's why I have 12% here. So now let's move to the CRO side. So with CRO, you have to use the min-max strategy to get this benefit, this yearly profit. So the min-max strategy, it is basically just using the exchange, which is currently not available in US, but it should be open anytime soon, because they said that Q2 of 2020 is the goal that they will release the syndicate and the exchange in US. So we'll hope they can actually open it soon. But here, with the syndicate and the min-max strategy, you put 20%, you put CRO on the 20% annual interest plan, and you also put CRO on the syndicate and the Flex Earn side. And total, you will have to put 20,000 CRO if the price of CRO is $0.1. So that's $2,000 that you have to put, and with that, you get 34% annual return. So if you are considering getting this level here, or the 500 MCO card with these prices, you can see that the CRO is much more beneficial than to get the Jade Green card. But the lower you go here, the 500 MCO card is smarter as well. And if the price of CRO would go to like 0.15, you can see that you only have to buy 16,667 CRO, but you would have to put more, $500 more to buy the CRO to get to 31% annual return. if the price of CRO would remain the same. So of course, in this chart, I did not take into consideration the price increase of MCO or CRO, or the price drop of MCO or CRO. This is just a simple chart to compare these prices together if the price would remain the same throughout the whole year. And here you can see the different levels that you would have to put. Let's put it back to 0.1. So the next tier would be $7,000 on the CRO, and the next one would be $15,000. I actually have about 176,000 CRO currently, so I am about on this plan. So I get about 30% annual return. And on this Minmax chart here, I made this estimation that you will get 3% return per syndicate event, not per syndicate event. You have 2 syndicate events every month, so you will get a combined amount of 3% per month from these syndicates. But in reality, I've been getting like a 5 to 6% return every month for the syndicates. So my profit has been a little bit higher actually. So this is an underestimation of the profit. So always take a look at this one. You would simply put this to 0.04 if you want to change that. Okay, if you don't know what is the CRO min-max strategy, if you don't know how it works, then I suggest that you watch these videos. You can also watch my video of actually using the card, and I will link those in the in this video. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of them. But if you ask about the CRO min-max strategy and it has been answered in one of my previous videos, I will just link to that video. So I hope that is okay for you. And if you think this content is interesting, hit the like button, of course. Subscribe to the channel if you want to have more content like this one. And I will hope to see you in the next video.